factors for n equivalent to 360. Find the first one, product of factors for n. Find the product of factors for n. Find the product of factors for n. 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So, product of factors will be given by number power number of factors 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. 360 power 2. Product of factors is given by number power number of factors by 2. Second one, product of factors which are multiples of 12. Product of factors which are multiples of 12 for n. Same like whatever we did for sum of the factors. First, product of the factors which are multiples of 12. Again, two questions. First, to find out all the factors which are multiples for 12, then multiply all of them. In the previous case, we added all of them. Multiples of 12. Factors which are multiples of 12. Factors which are multiples of 12 for n. So, this will be 12k. 12 will be 2 square into 3. Remaining is 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Total factors are 8. Same like what we did. 8 factors are there. This we will call it as 12a1, 12a2, 12a3 and so on up to 12a8. I need to multiply all this. If I multiply all this, 12, 12, 12, 8 times 12 power 8 into a1 into a2 into a3 till a8. What is this a1 into a2 till a8? These are nothing but the product of factors. Product of factors for which number? This number. So what is the product of factors? Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. So answer will be 12 power 8 into 2 into 3 into 5 power 4. Clear? Product of the factors which are multiples of 12 for n. Same like sum of the factors. First we will find out all the factors which are multiples of 12, then we will multiply them. Product of factors which are multiples of 30. Product of factors which are multiples of 30. Which are multiples of 30 for n. So, first we will do factors which are multiples of 30 for n. So, multiples of 30 for n will be 30k. So, 30 will be 2 into 3 into 5. The remaining will be 2 square into 3 power 1. Are you all with me? So, how many factors? 3 2s are 6. So, I will call it as 30a1, 30a2 and so on up to 30a6. 30 power 6 into a1 into a2 till a6. a1 into a2 and so on up to a6 is 30 power 6 into 2 square into 3 power 1 power 6 by 2. Product of the factors which are multiples of 12. Product of the factors which are multiples of 30. B and C are same problem. What will be the next one? Product of the factors which are not multiples of 12. I hope the work is clear? Product of factors which are not multiples of 12. Product of factors which are not multiples of 12 for n. Product of factors which are not multiples of 12 for n. First see this concept. See this one concept. Suppose if 12 is there, 12 will be, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now we have to multiply all this. Suppose if I multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. Can I also write like this? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. So I can also write like this. 1 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 6 into 12. So now if you see, product of the factors is, these are the numbers which are multiples of 6. These are the numbers which are not multiples of 6. Pn is pk into pk bar. Pn equivalent to pk into pk bar. So what will be the answer for this question? This answer will be A answer. This one answer divided by this one answer. So A by B. What will be the A answer? 360 power 12 divided by, what will be B answer? 12 power 8 into 2 into 3 into 5 power 4. Product of the factors which are not multiples of 12 will be total product of factors per n divided by product of factors which are multiples of 12. Now see here, let us take an example. 17. Let us write all the factors of 17. All the factors of 72 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 70. We need to add all these factors and tell the sum. We need to add all the factors and tell the sum. 72 will be 2 cube into 3 square. Now see here, write down all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 3. Let me see what is happening. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 2, all the powers of 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Now see here, this will become 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 plus 9. So this will become 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 1 nines are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 18, 4 ones are 4, 12, 36, 8, 24, 72. Now if you observe here, these are nothing but sum of all the factors of 72. That means to write down the sum of the factors of any number, step number 1, write the number as a power of prime basis. For every prime power, start writing all the powers of that prime base starting from 0 to whatever the power into the next prime base, and keep on doing like that. Keep on doing like that. This is the sum of the powers. Right. Next one. For n equivalent to. For n equivalent to. For n equivalent to 360, which is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the first one. Sum of the factors for n. Find the sum of the factors for n. Sum of the factors for n. Sum of the factors will be 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 into next one will be 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Next one will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. This is the sum of the factors for n. You can apply geometric progression sum to n terms and you can get the answer. Sum of the factors for n. Next one. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. There are two questions in this one. First, to find out all the factors which are multiples of 12 and then add them. Am I right? First, what we'll do? Let us take all the factors which are multiples of n, which are multiples of 12 for 360. So, multiples of 12 will be of the form 12k. So, 12 is 2 square into 3 into remaining is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Totally, how many factors are there? 2 into 2 into 2. How many are there? 8. There are 8 factors which are nothing but factors which are multiples of 12. So, this will be 12a1, 12a2, 12a3 and so on up to 12a8. Am I right? These are the numbers which are nothing but factors which are multiples of 12. I need to add all of this. So, if I add all of this, 12 into a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on up to a8. Are you all with me? So, 12 into. From where we got these a1 to a8? This we got from this number. Am I right? What is the sum of the factors of this number? 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1. 3 power 1, what will be the answer? 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. 5 power 1, what will be the answer? 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. So, first take all the factors which are multiples of 12, then add all of this. If you add all of this, 12 will be common, a1 to a8. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. This is one way to solve. This is method 1. You can take any methods. I will discuss method 2 also. So, this is nothing but sum of all the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of all the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of all the factors which are multiples of 12 for n equivalent to 360. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. See here, n equivalent to 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1.
Should that be 3 square?
Here? No. For 2 power 1, what are the combinations? 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1. For 3 power 1, what are the combinations? 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. For this one, what are the combinations? 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1.
I was under the impression that
we require factors which are multiples of 12. We require factors which are multiples of 12. Now, see here. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. Sorry. Now see here. If you multiply any number by 12, in 12 what is their minimum power of 2? 2 square. So, instead of starting from 2 power 3, any multiple of 12 will have minimum power of 2 how much? 2 square. So, don't start from 2 power 0, start from that minimum power of 2 which we require to get 12. 2 square plus 2 cube. What is the minimum power of 3 to get 12? 3 power 1. Don't start from 3 power 0, 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. There is no restriction on 5, so 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. This and this, if you solve, final answer will be same. One more example. See here, sum of the factors which are multiples, of 30 for n equivalent to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. Any multiple of 30 will be of the form 30 into something. What is 30? 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. You multiply any number by 30, minimum this will be there plus something else will come. Am I right? So what is the minimum power of 2 to get 30? 2 power 1. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Next one, 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. Next is 5 power 2. So either you do the traditional method like this, or you can directly write down the answer dependent upon what is the question that is given. Now, see here, note. Suppose there is this number 12. There is this number 12. Let us write all the factors of 12. 12. The factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 factors. Now I am adding all these factors. If I add, it will be like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. These are the sum of the factors for 12. Now see here, can I say that this, I am writing it in brackets like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Can I say that these are multiples of 6? These are not multiples of 6. I can also write like this: 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12. These are multiples of 3. These are non-multiples of 3. That means sum of the factors for any number is sk plus sk bar. Sn equivalent to sk plus sk bar. Sn equivalent to sk plus sk bar. That means, first see the application. Suppose if the question is sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12 for 360. If it is given not multiples of 12, not multiples will be total sum of the factors minus sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Let me write down here. If I call one as sum of the factors, the answer will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This answer will be 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. This answer will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. So answer will be 1 minus 2. 1 whatever the answer you got and 2. So if the question contains negation, sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12, k is a natural number. Idea clear? Next one, side heading, sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Now, sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Let us see the concept here. Let us take an example 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Let us do the reciprocal and add them. This will be 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 12. Alright? Now if I take the LCM, 12, 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what will be this one? Sum of all the factors by the number. So very important point. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n is given by s and by n. Sum of the factors by number itself. Sum of the factors by number itself. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is s and by n. First one. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. For n equivalent to 100. For n equivalent to 100. So 100 will be 2 square into 5 square. What will be the answer? S n by n. So this will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. Divided by 100. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors per 100. It is nothing but sum of the factors by 100. If Sn by n is 2, listen carefully to this point. If Sn by n is 2, if the sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Perfect number. Now listen carefully. A perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. A perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Listen carefully. This number has to be a prime number. 2 power p minus 1 has to be a prime. 2 power minus 1 has to be a prime. If Sn by n is 2, n is a perfect number of this form. Now listen carefully. For 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, for 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, p has to be prime. If p is prime, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be prime. May or may not be prime. Very important note. For this 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, p has to be prime. If p is prime, this may or may not. Right. Question. Please write down. Okay. And one more important point. Till now, all perfect numbers ends with 6 or 8. All perfect numbers ends with 6 or 8. All perfect numbers ends with 6 or 8. Question. Sn by n. Write down. Sn by n equivalent to 2. Sn by n equivalent to 2. N lies from 450 to 500. Sn by n is 2. N lies from 450 to 500. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? What is the value of n? Sn denotes the sum of the factors. Sn denotes the sum of the factors per n. Sn denotes the sum of the factors per n. Now, first thing that you can do is sum of the factors by number. What does that mean? Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Right? That means what will be the nature of n? n will be a perfect number. Perfect number ends with 6 or 8. Eliminate all the options which does not end with 6 or 8. That is the first point. Second one, Sn by n is 2. Sn by n is 2. N will be a perfect number. If n is a perfect number, this will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. So, what is the first prime number? P equivalent to 2. 2 power 1 into 3, 6. If p equivalent to 3, 2 square into 7, 28. If p equivalent to 5, 2 power 4 into 31, 16 into 31, 496. What will be the answer? 496. We require the number between 450 and 500. Product of the factors. Product of the factors. Suppose if I take 12, what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. So 12 is written as 2 square into 3 power 1. Now I need to multiply all these factors and I need to tell the answer. Now see here, total how many factors we have got? 6. Number of factors for 12. Number of factors for 12 in this case is 3 into 2, 6. Now if I multiply the product of factors for 12. Product of factors for 12 will be, now if you see, first and last, what will be the product? 12. Second and second last, what will be the product? 12. 3 and 4, what will be the product? 12. So out of 6 factors, first, last, second, second last, third, third last. If I multiply, what am I getting answer? 12 power 3. Right? Now see here, product of factors for any number for n is a natural number is given by number power number of factors by 2. Now f is the number of factors. F is the number of factors. Number power number of factors by 2. You might get a doubt. What happens if the number is a perfect square? See here. What are the factors of perfect square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So if I take 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9. How many times? 36 power 4. Remaining is 6. 6 is 36 power 1 by 2. So this will be 36 power 9 by 2. What is 36? 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Number of factors will be. So whether n is a perfect square, n is a non-perfect square, product of factors will always remain number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Capital A is nothing but sum of all the factors for 72. If capital A is the sum of all the factors for 72, find the product of all the factors. Find the product of all the factors for A. Find the product of all the factors for A. Read the question. If capital A is sum of all the factors for 72. What is 72? 72 is 2 cubed into 3 square. Capital A is the sum of all the factors. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This will be 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So this will be 15 into 13, 195. But find the product of all the factors for A. 195 will be 13 into 15. 3 into 5 into 13. What will be the product of factors for 195? Product of factors for 195 will be number of factors by 2. 2 into 2 into 2 by 2. 195 power